Welcome back to the Food Network with our two master chefs, Burrito Boy and Taco Man. After that first delicious entree, I can't wait to see what they're cooking up next.
Oh, I bet you can't. For our second dish today, we shall be making sweet and spicy salsa.
First, we add the ground up jalapeno chips and croutons.
Looks yummy.
Looks appetizing.
Yes, it looks good.
Then we add chopped up almonds.
Just a little bit. After that,
We add maple
the
syrup.
best ingredient.
Then we add the whole almonds.
Syrup.
But not so much. You just want a little bit.
Just a dab.
And then you add
No,
bouillon water.
not yet, chef. Not yet.
Not yet.
We still have lemon pepper.
And an almond.
This
and
is
an almond.
delicious.
Can't forget the almond.
Delicious stuff. Lemon pepper.
You don't want
Just
that.
a little dash, man.
Good guy. And then a little dash of cayenne red pepper.
Great stuff.
Very strong. Just a little.
After that, some Montreal steak seasoning.
And then some of this herb, whatever it's called.
We can't read it, so we call it a different name.
Yes.
What do you call it?
Herb.
Okay.
We call it herb 1.
That looks good, master.
This stuff
Chef.
looks delicious.
After that, we add some hazelnut creamer.
And now, the bouillon water that looks like poo.
Oh yeah. Now we
Stir
stir it all together. Wait, we're missing something.
Yes, we are.
More creamers.
And pancake mix.
Yes.
Let me see pancake mix. Where did we put the pancake mix?
If you'll excuse me.
We need a pancake mix. Let me entertain you. I'm eating croutons. I'm eating croutons. The pancake mix is here.
We found the croutons. Pancake mix, same thing.
Oh no.
We need a scoop.
Yes, we do.
About 3 spoonfuls will be good.
1, 2, 3. No.
4.
No. Okay, now we stir it all together.
Yummy. Yummy.
That looks delicious, doesn't it?
Oh yes.
Another masterpiece. But of course,
Would you like the first
Taste it.
taste?
I shall.
And that's it with entree number 2. See you next time.